everybody, welcome all. Today we are going to see what is pH, that is power of hydrogen in solution. When a pH scale shows less than 7, it is acidic. Likewise, 7 means neutral and greater than 7 is base. When a solution contains more hydrogen ions, that is acidic. Likewise, when it contains more amount of hydroxyl ions, it is basic solution. Now let us check the pH of different solutions which is available at home. Here purple cabbage juice is the indicator which is going to show the results. First I am adding this indicator into lemon juice. You can see it turns into pink color which is acidic. Likewise, when I add to our drinking water, it retains the same purple color, so it is neutral. Similarly, we can see it turns into green color when we add to a base baking soda. For our reference, we can use this pH scale which has various color codes. Now let us mix acid and base together and see the results. Wow, again same purple color, which means it is a neutral solution now. Thank you, happy learning. Make sure to like, subscribe and share and turn on the notifications.